Hey buddy, today in this video we're making spicy chicken and cauliflower in the Instapot. Let's begin. Okay, let's get the sauce ready first. We have here a quarter cup of water. We need a quarter cup of soy sauce. There you go, that's a quarter cup of soy sauce. We're adding half a teaspoon of crushed red peppers. There you go, that's half teaspoon. You can add more or less depending on your preference. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. I bought this off of Amazon. A good substitution for this would be cooking cherry wine. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. 1, 2. We'll need 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1, 2, 3. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. We need 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2, 3. We'll also need 1 tablespoon of ginger. We're gonna cut off the skin first. There we go. Gotta remove the skin. And then we're just gonna chop it up. Okay, we're gonna pick up the ginger, the minced ginger. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Take everything and mix it all in, nice and even. Okay, we're gonna put this to the side. And next, we're gonna cut out the bottom part of the cauliflower. We're gonna cut out the core. We're gonna cut it into pieces. Okay, there we go. We're gonna put it into a bowl for right now. And we're gonna put this to the side. Okay, we're gonna cut up the chicken. We're gonna cut out 1 pound of chicken. We're gonna cut the chicken into cubes. Just cut it down right in the center. And then just cut them into cubes. Like that. Okay, there we go. We're going to apply some garlic salt to it. Flip it over. And do the same thing. Next, we're going to add just a little bit of white pepper. And the very last thing, we're just going to add a little bit of sesame seed oil onto the chicken. And then just mix everything in. Okay, we have the chicken cut up and seasoned. And now we're gonna steam the cauliflower. We're gonna put the trivet in. And then we're gonna take the cauliflower and place it on top. Okay, we have all the cauliflower stacked on top of the trivet. Now we're gonna add 1.5 cup of water. Everything is looking good. We're gonna cover it. It's in locking position. Now we're gonna push steam for 0 minutes. And we're gonna let it start. Okay, it's preheating, and we'll be back once the timer starts for 0 minutes. Okay, the red pin has gone up. That means it's almost fully preheated. We're waiting for the time to start for 0 minutes. And once it hits 0 minutes, that means we're done. Okay, the timer has started for 0 minutes. That means it's done. Now we're going to release the pressure. Okay, the red pin has dropped back down. That means it's safe to open. Looking good. We're going to pick up the cauliflower. Okay, we're going to put the cauliflower to the side. We're going to start cooking up the chicken first. And we're going to push it on saute mode and let the Instant Pot heat up first. Okay, it's heated. We're going to add some olive oil. Spread the oil. Now we're going to add the 1 pound of chicken in. We're just going to brown the surface of the chicken. Okay, we lightly browned up the surface of the chicken. We're going to pick it up real quick. There we go. We're going to put the chicken to the side. Going to add just a little bit more of olive oil. And next, we're going to add 1 cup of chopped up white onions. Stir it around. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, we browned up the white onions, and we're going to turn it off. We're going to push cancel. We have it turned off, and we're going to add 1 cup of water. And now we're going to deglaze the pot. Try to remove all the debris from the bottom of the pot so that you won't get a burn error. Okay, we deglazed the pot. And next we're going to add the pre-made sauce we made. Try to get every little bit. We're going to add in the 1 cup of red and orange peppers. 1 cup of sliced up carrots, and the 1 pound of cut up chicken. Spread everything out. Okay, it's looking good. This is what it looks like before we close it up. You'll put the cover on, put it on locking position, and then we're going to push pressure cook. And we're going to put the time to 6 minutes. And we're going to let it preheat. It's preheating, and we'll be back once the timer starts for 6 minutes. The red pin has gone up. That means it's almost fully preheated. And we're waiting for the timer to start for 6 minutes on high pressure. The timer has started for 6 minutes on high pressure, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 6 minutes on high pressure. And now we're going to release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down. That means it's safe to open. Looking good. Smells awesome. Looking good. We're going to push cancel, then we're going to push saute mode. And we're going to let it heat up first. While it's heating up, we're going to add the cauliflower back in. And stir it around. Try to coat the cauliflower. And then just stir everything all together. And wait for the Instant Pot to heat up on saute mode. And we're going to make some room in the center. I'm going to put the spatula to the side for right now. And then we need some cornstarch. and a 1/4 cup of water. We're going to take a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it into the water. Stir everything all up. Make sure everything is nice and even with a 1/4 cup of water. And this will be our thickening agent for the sauce. Okay, and make some room, and we're gonna add just a little bit of cornstarch in the center. And stir everything all up. There you go. Okay, the sauce is thickening up pretty good. We're just gonna stir it a few times just to make sure that all the cauliflower is coated with the sauce. Okay, everything is looking good. And we're gonna turn off saute mode. And we're gonna put it on a plate. Lastly, we're going to take a little bit of chopped up green onions and put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Spicy chicken and cauliflower made in the Instapot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.